Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ru ban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha penat kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
ka United Democratic Party kadang Ngam Jylliew bha mantip khambanya sapang uniform civil code yakni lai thu president jong seng uba med ba ling do ha jing kram gilat pathai khubor uba med ba ulo ang ba UCC kadi ka bakalan bha bat nakata kadaw ki haban Ngam kham Jylliew shushu Yamenta ulo ong ba UDP kampanang ong AA namar ba kadang shustang yak jing kran yakni gamat.
You have to go into the depth of the subject. Then you will understand what is UCC. Because till now nowhere is there to say what is UCC is all about. But one should understand that the UCC will be of the civil laws, not the criminal laws. The criminal laws is completely different, which is already there in place. They talk about what CRPC and all this. But the civil laws, that is what they're talking about as far as the UCC is concerned. Now, when it comes to the civil laws, it talks about the religious practice, the marriage, inheritance, and divorce, properties, and so on. So, in that line, the civil laws is to be what they have proposed for UCC.
Whether the UDP is supported?
We have to go through into the depth of the matter only. We have just initiated about that part. We will come out about what we have for UCC. Or you have to look at the customary line, you have to look at the religious line. There's so many factors here. The Hindus, the Christians, the Muslims, and all. So which way you adopt? It's very confusing. So we have to be very clear on it. So it's very complex. You need a lot of thorough and detailed discussion on this matter.
So the UDP is yet to take a stand on this UCC?
Yes. It's very, very complex. One should understand, it's very complex.